His name be faithful and reliable as possible. Bracelet's survival is paracord, in fact exactly the same material used by paratroopers in World War II for their parachutes. Allied forces entrusted that life that is the best proof of the time I could think of as an example. There are numerous items accessible to the Paracord bracelet, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs, to help you make an informed decision. I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best Paracord survival bracelet from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Emergency Paracord Bracelets. The SA1 Emergency Paracord Bracelet is a compact and tactical survival bracelet that comes packed with all the necessary features you need in order to survive in the wilderness. Our Paracord bracelet is the ideal choice for every camping, hiking, hunting, fishing enthusiast, or simply anyone who likes going in the great outdoors and be prepared. Our bracelet is a mini personal survival kit on its own, featuring a flint fire starter, a whistle that can be heard from a great distance, and a compass to maintain your sense of direction. This bracelet will help you with winter journeys, and we bet it could even help you survive during the apocalypse. We at 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 manufacture our Paracord bracelets according to the highest standards so that you can enjoy them for as long as possible. You can rest assured that our survival bracelets are 100% reliable when the time comes to use them, unlike many other competing products on the market. So grab our amazing, cost-effective set for you and your friends, and have fun exploring. Number 2. The Friendly Swede Fishtail Paracord Survival Bracelets. The Friendly Swedes are known for their good looks, and functional paracord bracelets and fishtail bracelets fit perfectly into the shape of society. This is a very nice bracelet that has enough rope to be useful, but not so much that it becomes difficult to manage. The chrome metal holder is efficient and discreet. The Paracord 350 is strong enough for a variety of applications, and the bracelet fit any wrist one. 2.7/8 circumference. The inch roll of Swedish friendly, versatile and durable, and does not start decomposing when in the shower, and unlike some of the other top of the Paracord bracelets, isinglass is not the feeling that you scrunchy all braided hair on the wrist use our. Available in a variety of colors, you are bound to find one that looks right only if you spend all your outdoor leisure, or just a cool fashion accessory. Number 3. Trilobite Extra Beefy 550 pounds Paracord Survival Bracelet. Equipped with 500 pounds of stress and durability, this excellent survival paracord bracelet allows situations of stress use in high. Whether you are using a rope or its emergency paracord, this slide, it made you wonder how you ever lived without one of these. Stylish and ready egg survival bracelet paracord 500 pounds friendly Swedish reality. It maintains performance in the wet. You cannot keep on the weather conditions in the desert, but you can control how your computer functions under such conditions. This will ensure you will not leave with your pants around the ankle in a friendly survival aroused Swedish situation. He is serious about this product and hopes back anything when he offers lifetime warranty. Durability, stainless steel shackle arc, and 500 pounds pressure maintenance speak for themselves in this situation. These extra incarnated bracelet that will work for you in an emergency, and in 3 sizes are, with an adjustable band contour basically everyone. Number 4. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Handwoven Outdoor Paracord Survival Bracelet. If you are ever in an emergency, survival and nature always have options if you Paracord Survival Bracelet 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 wrist. If you are injured, you can use it to create a life-saving tourniquet. If you lose to using trapping or fishing and are hungry, if they are in bad weather, his bracelet and partners roll almost 9 feet of high-strength nylon rope with high strength with a rescue blanket to create a rain shelter. From a purely aesthetic point of view, this is one of the most attractive survival bracelets of Paracord, especially around the black version. Has a robust, but not overwhelming feeling, is very twisted, and steel hook is the perfect complement. Even if you have never heard of the best, the Paracord bracelets, or something about their history or use of knowledge probably brings one of these just because it is so good. Do make sure you also visit our guide to the best first aid kits. Number 5. Paracord Bracelet 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤. A25 protection tells us what it really means to survive outdoors with these double Paracord survival bracelets. If you are a little surprised by the cost, do not worry, we were. They retain their production and reduce costs. They that give you the best prices for almost all can give survival bracelet. Paracord bracelet survival includes Pico Market 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 compass with remarkable precision embedded. If the GPS does not work or you really had to shoot a compass for the whole body, just give your wrist to find their way home. You also get an emergency knife, excellent for cutting material, wherein the opening of containers, and a hairy situation use defense. Even as self when you go on a hike of 4 men, you can get one for each members affected by less than 20. The murderer of. If you are separated, use a whistle for them. The worst case is that at the end to keep up with the lighter. The cold night in the forest past warming is so powerful by the fire to morning. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.